The Sichuan-Tibet Railway. It is one of the most ambitious and complex railway projects in the world. It connects southwest China to the Tibetan Plateau through one of the most challenging geographical environments on Earth. The project is a massive railway line linking Chengdu in Sichuan province to Lhasa in Tibet, traversing extremely rugged mountainous terrain. It is considered one of China's most important infrastructure projects in the Tibetan Plateau region.
It aims not only to transport passengers, but also to create a fast and reliable transportation corridor between Sichuan and Tibet. The most challenging section is the Ya'an-Ningqi line, which is approximately 1,111 kilometers long. The new track extends from Ya'an Station through Ganzi, Chamdo, and Ningqi to connect with the La'an-Ningqi line.
The main route can be simplified as follows: Chengdu, Ya'an, Kangding, Ganzi, Chengdu, Ningqi, and Lhasa. This means the train travels from relatively low-lying areas in the Sichuan Basin to high-altitude areas in the Tibetan Plateau. Herein lies one of the project's biggest challenges: immense altitudes, towering mountains, deep valleys, earthquakes, rivers, and harsh climatic conditions. The new Ya'an-Ningqi section has received official approval with an estimated investment of approximately 319.8 billion yuan. This is equivalent to tens of billions of dollars at the current exchange rate. The new line is approximately 1,111 kilometers long and includes 26 stations, according to the official approval document. For this reason, the project is considered one of the largest railway projects in China in terms of engineering cost.
It's important to clarify a point that might cause confusion in some videos. This isn't simply a high-speed rail line operating at 350 kilometers per hour like some of China's modern lines. The official specifications for the new line specify a design speed of 120 to 200 kilometers per hour. This is due to the mountainous terrain and complex engineering requirements. The line is also designed as a double-track, fully electrified line. Therefore, the majority of the project relies on tunnels and bridges rather than running the line directly above ground.
The project includes dozens of tunnels, with estimates reaching approximately 69 tunnels, totaling around 841.7 kilometers. This means that tunnels constitute the largest portion of the track, according to some engineering estimates. One of the most impressive figures is the Yigong Tunnel, at approximately 42.4 kilometers long. This makes it one of the longest tunnels associated with the project, highlighting the scale of the challenge. The train will not only cross mountains, but will also traverse vast distances within them. The Lhasa-Ningqi line, an existing section of the Sichuan-Tibet Railway network, includes approximately 47 tunnels and 120 bridges. This section is approximately 435 kilometers long and has a design speed of 160 kilometers per hour. When the line reaches the Tibetan Plateau, the environment becomes even more challenging. High altitudes mean less oxygen, lower temperatures, strong winds, and difficult working conditions. This impacts workers, machinery, materials, and even railway maintenance operations. Therefore, building a railway line in this region is completely different from building a line in a plain or a city. The official specifications for the new section outline an electric traction system featuring a double track and an automated signaling system. This will allow for the operation of modern electric trains instead of relying on traditional diesel locomotives. These stations will serve cities and regions along the route, providing stops, services, and connections to local transportation networks. If completed as planned, the line will significantly transform travel between Sichuan and Tibet. The train could significantly reduce reliance on mountain roads and air travel. Especially during harsh weather conditions, the new stations will support cities and communities along the route. The overall project consists of several sections, some already operational and others under construction or development. The Sichuan-Tibet Railway is a massive project to connect Sichuan and Tibet. The new Ya'an-Ningqi section is approximately 1,100 kilometers long and includes 26 stations. It has a design speed of between 120 and 200 kilometers per hour and an estimated cost of approximately 319.8 billion yuan. The project requires thousands of kilometers of supporting infrastructure, including massive tunnels and bridges.
It must also address earthquakes, elevation changes, groundwater, and complex geology.